to my class. Last time, we treated this topic, tone marking, meaning Akara Udaolu. Tone marking. Class, say it. Tone marking. Akara Udaolu in Igbo. One of our students asked us question on it. That is why we are now repeating it to clarify the person. The person asked us, why is it that the tone marking of this is she sewing clothes in Igbo? Why is it that the tone marking goes down, this and this, instead of going up? That is, why is it that this tone marking is low tone instead of high tone? The same thing with this number 4. She also asked, why is it that the tone marking in this vowel O goes down and this one goes down instead of going up? If you can remember, we said that when you are asking questions using tone marking, that the tone marking, the symbol of it, will start with low tone to show that you are asking a question. You cannot use high tone when asking a question with tone marking. Let's see what we have on the board. Igbo words, English meanings. You can see that number 1 here is aqua, meaning clothes. Aqua, clothes. You can see that this tone marking here, the first one is high, aqua. Then the last one here is low tone. It means clothes. Second example, you have aqua, high, meaning cry. Aqua. So we use it in sentence making. Then the person asked us why we use low tone when starting the question instead of using high tone, the symbol of high tone. So when you are asking a question, we have treated this, but we want to clarify the person. When you are asking a question, you have to use low tone, the symbol of low tone. The tone marking will be in low tone. On our papa, is she crying? You will not say, on our papa. Have you seen it? Say, on our papa. Is she crying or is he crying? On our papa. Is she sewing a clothes? Is he sewing clothes? You have to use low tone and not high tone when you are asking a question. When you are asking a question using tone marking, you have to start the tone marking with low tone. That is what we mean. Or na aqua. Is she sewing clothes? But if you want to make ordinary sentence, ọ na-akwa akwa. Ọ na-akwa akwa. Ọ na-akwa akwa. That is ordinary statement. It is not a question. But when you are asking a question, or, it will be in low tone and not high tone. It will be in low tone and not high tone. So the same thing with the number 4. Ọ na-akwa akwa. Meaning, is she crying? So, I think I have answered your question. So, what I mean is that when you are asking a question using tone marking, you have to start the tone marking with low tone to show that you are asking a question. Like and share our videos. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our channel. Review my page, guys. If you know that I hug you, hug me back. Don't be stingy for hugging. Ordinary hugging. Don't be stingy. Hug someone. Bye.